Here's a guide on viewing backed up photos on Google Photos. If your Google Photos is set up to back up all the photos and videos in your gallery and you want to check exactly what has been backed up, follow these steps. Open the Google Photos app and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap on Google Photo Settings at the bottom. Check the backup status by tapping on the backup option. It'll confirm whether the backup is turned on and display the associated Gmail account. However, this won't show the specific photos that have been backed up. To view all the backed up photos, exit the settings and open a web browser. Go to photos.google.com. Ensure you're logged into the correct Gmail account associated with the photos you want to access. Navigate through the photos displayed on the website. You can switch between different Gmail accounts if you have multiple accounts linked to Google Photos. Feel free to ask if you have any questions and leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to assist you in the next steps. Subscribe to the channel if you still haven't.